What's up, people? Renegade Man here. Check it out. We're doing pretty good. We're on the eve of the next night. I don't even know what night it is, but anyways, we got all the wiring ran for the track lights in the room. Our nice boxes here connected to the studs, and a mock-up where they go. We're gonna be painting the ceiling black anyway, so don't worry about the red lettering. But yeah, everything is, it's a construction, turned into a construction site in a few minutes. That happens fast. Yeah, I had to come through right here. I don't know, our wiring. And we were able to use one of these old ones for the light, so that's neat. But for one of the track lights, the beginning of the track lights anyways. Other than that, we're still gonna be keeping the ceiling fan. I'm just gonna be changing it to a very small fan. But we got the box all locked up. The heater's back there, even though you can't tell. And then all of our switches, which we gotta clean up a little bit, but I had to make room to get a screw in here in the back, which I'm also gonna be covering up just in case. Some kind of caulking, but these were a little sideways, so they're all straight now. So you can see, all in a straight line. And we had to tap into here, but I already did the gas line, so there's a nice hole here. But this is on a tandem breaker, so we got that all separated. And this drywall's gonna be fixed later. This bathroom is a whole different idea, but at the moment, just putting back up the drywall. Got to float it in texture. Let's see, there's like a, I forget to call it, but a certain texture. And that's about it. I'm gonna put this piece on and call it a night for tonight, but these also might have to wait because this aquarium here, I'm gonna be running, I might be running RO water, so that would mean coming up here, I wanna see if I can get it automated, but we'll see what happens. I might not, but yeah, that's where we're at. This is an exciting part. Just gotta get a switch panel, have all the switches, install them, and the light should be coming in a couple days, so we'll see what happens. Peace out.